Hello to my YouTube family, welcome back to another Shopify tutorial. I'm your host Faisal Mahmood from Faisal CodeX YouTube channel. So in this today's session, I'm going to show you how you guys can add slideshow link using Dawn theme in Shopify. Here you guys can see this is a store used to develop using Dawn theme. I already mentioned a detailed tutorial on how you guys can change cart icon and moreover there are many other things you guys can do using Dawn theme. Like here you guys can see this cart icon is different, this cart icon is different. I have already uploaded a detailed session on this. Moreover, for the floating email icon, I have already uploaded a session. For category slider, I have already uploaded a detailed session for this. And moreover, I will upload more tutorials with the passage of time. And you guys are already familiar with custom font configuration with Shopify. It was so hard, but before my tutorial, it was so hard, and my tutorial made it easy now. Okay. So let's start today's session and go ahead. Okay, I'm going to add Shopify dashboard and I will click on online store, and then I will click on these three dots to open the code editor. So code editor is loading over there, and then I will click on customize to go for customizer area. Okay, so I will disable this and I will go to the add section area. Then I will click on slideshow, and inside slideshow I will go up here, changes. I don't know why this error is coming over there. Okay, I think there is a problem in theme. I was working on it. Okay, we can switch the theme with another theme. There is already a new theme added over there. No problem at all. Now try to click on customize. Okay, we can't see any error over there. It's okay. So now I will click on these three dots. Then I will click on edit code. Okay, so now I will click on add section, and here I will go for slideshow. I am going to add slideshow section over there. So slideshow section is added over there, and what I'm going to do, I will click on image slide, and then I will find an image slide for this. I don't need text at all. Okay. And I don't need a container. Moreover, I'm going to add another slide, and this slide will come with the text. Okay, and now I will click on slideshow, and here I will click on height and adopt to first image. So now it will show complete image for the slideshow, and now I will save it. And after saving it, I will click on these three dots and I will click on view. So here you guys can see slider is working perfect. So now we need to add an anchor tag on this. So if we click on that shop now or this slideshow image, it will redirect us toward our desired location. So what we are going to do, we are going to as a code editor. So in code editor, you guys can go for the sections, and here you need to find slideshow. Okay, so inside slideshow area, what we are going to do, we need to find out where this image is located. So I'm going to inspect. So there is a div with a text and wrapper. There is a media banner. Okay, so we need to go for the slideshow media. We need to find this slideshow media. Okay, so this is slideshow media div. What I'm going to do, I will write anchor tag here, anchor arrow. I will give it to the HTTPS just for confirmation, like if anchor tag is working or not. I'm going to put google.com over there, and then I will close this anchor tag. Okay, and after this I will put some styling, style, and then I will put position. position absolute z index to height 100%, width 100%, and then I need to put position relative to this div. I will put style tag, then I will give the position relative to this, and I will save it. So after making changes, I will come over there and I will control F to hard refresh. It's showing me like this. Okay. Okay. So we need to put it somewhere where it will bring a positive impact. This is block. Okay. So for this issue, let's try to change the position of this anchor. Okay, I will cut this. I will remove this relative from here, and there is a block of image. What I will do, I will put that code over there and then I will save it. It's loading. Now let's refresh it again. Nice. Okay, let's go and check over there. There is div media, anchor tag is there. Okay, why we can't see this? Let's try to increase that index. Yeah, now you can see this. So what I will do, I will use to increase the value of z index. Okay, I will save it again. Then I will come here and I will refresh and boom. Now it's working good and perfect for all slides. So now what I have to do, I have to make this slideshow link a separate settings. So what I will do, I will scroll down, I will come over the schema, and here I will need to find button link, something like that, link or button link, whatever it is. Here are the blocks of slide, heading size. Yeah, there's a URL. I will copy this setting, I will paste it over there. Then I need to change the label towards like slide link or like something like that. Then I will say this to the slide link. Okay, I'll copy that ID and I will find anchor header. So this is our anchor tag over there. What I'm going to do, I will remove this from here and I will put block.settings.id, because slides used to work in the block, so setting will be called from blocks area. Okay, now what I will do, I will exit this, I will refresh this. Then I will click on customize. You can also refresh this while opening the customizer as well. So okay, now I'm going to click on slide and here you will find slide link. Okay, let's suppose I want to link this to the black leather bag and this second slide to the another LED high tops. I'll save this. Sorry. And I will refresh it over there, and now you can see it's black leather. Now you can see it's connected with the black leather product. Okay, and if I go back, the second slide will be linked with another product. Okay, LED high tops. So now you can see it's working very fine for all the products. Moreover, we are going to add another statement, like if somebody has put the link inside over there, then this will work, else slide button will work over there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a statement for this, like if block.settings, I will put like this, not equal to blank, then it should have to appear, else it is not supposed to appear. I'm saving it. Now I will refresh this, and yeah, so link is working fine, nice. Let's suppose if we don't want link for slide link for this slide, let me remove from here, and I only want the link on the button label. So I will give navy sports only. It will only work on the button, not for the complete slide. So I'm saving this, and now let's refresh this. Okay, so black leather bag, fine. I'll go for another slide. Now you will see only the button link is working, whole slide link is not working at all. So that is the logic how you guys can add slide link to your Dawn theme or any theme using Shopify. And I hope you guys will love and subscribe my YouTube channel. Moreover, don't forget to see the videos on our previous experiments we already did and made different widgets for Shopify. Like you guys very well aware about how to change cart icon, how you guys can add floating email icon, and how you guys can add subcategory slider. So I will definitely create the next or upcoming session on the feature per slider very soon. You guys will know how to develop this feature slider for the products, and I need your support. Please keep subscribing and liking my videos, and stay tuned with my YouTube channel for upcoming news.